Most welcome student. This is Utkarsh Tiwari, chemistry faculty. This is next topic of solution, and the topic is related to the decrease in vapor pressure due to dissolving of non-volatile solute, and it is explained by Babos. So this is called a Babos law, and Babos law is actually state that the vapor pressure of liquids get decreased when non-volatile solute is added, because non-volatile solute is make a bond with a volatile solution or solvent. So these volatile solution or solvent do not change into vapor form, so its vapor pressure is decreased. It means the last line of the Babos law is explained that the decrease in a vapor pressure is depend on the amount of non-volatile is dissolved in a solution. Clear? And it is used by Raoult's law. So we are coming the next topic, Raoult's law. The first point of the Raoult's law, this is a binary solution with a non-volatile solute. So Raoult's law stated that the vapor pressure of a solution of a volatile solute is directly proportional to the mole fraction of solvent. You always remember that mole fraction of solvent is represented by XA and solute is represented by XB. So this law stated that the vapor pressure of a solution of volatile solute is directly proportional to the mole fraction of solvent. So equation become P means partial pressure of solution is directly proportional to XA. So P solution is equal to K into XA. We already know that mole fraction of solvent means XA and mole fraction of solute XB equal to 1. Here solute is non-volatile, so XB is equal to 0. So XA become equal to 1. So equation become P solution is equal to K into 1. Means P solution is equal to K, and here we take a P solution is equal to PA naught, means total partial pressure is equal to partial pressure of pure solvent, and equation become PS is equal to PA naught XA. If we draw the graph between partial pressure and the mole fraction XA, so this is coming straight line, PS is equal to PA naught XA. Now the second point of the Raoult's law, binary solution of the volatile liquids, and means both are volatile in nature. So here the Raoult's law stated that at a given temperature for a solution of a volatile liquid, the partial pressure of the solution is directly proportional to its own mole fraction. So equation become a P is equal to PA plus PB. It means total pressure is depend on the partial pressure of A and partial pressure of B. Means PA naught XA and PB naught XB. Now we draw the graph between both solutions. So this is coming in a straight line, PA plus PB. Now the next heading is mole fraction of components in a vapor phase. Here we take a two positions. It means two phases. Solution phase. In a solution phase, mole fraction of A and B is XA and XB. This is in a liquid phase. And in a vapor phase, YA and A and YB. According to Dalton's law of partial pressure, we know that partial pressure of a gas or in a vapor phase is equal to mole fraction of a gas into total pressure. So here we take a PA. So PA is equal to YA into PT, YA into PT. So YA is equal to PA upon PT, means PA upon PA plus PB. Similarly YB barabar, this is a PB upon PT, means PB upon PA plus PB. Clear? So this is the formula for the mole fraction in a vapor phase. Clear? After that we are coming in the relationship between a mole fraction of the components of an ideal solution in a liquid and vapor phase. You always remember that this equation because it is important for many competitive exams like a NEET, like IIT and JEE. The heading is relationship between mole fraction of the component of an ideal solution with liquid and vapor phase. An equation is 1 upon YA equal to PA naught minus PB naught upon PA naught plus PB naught upon PA naught into 1 upon XA. Here we see that it follow the straight line equation. Y is equal to C plus MX. Similarly, 1 upon XA equal to PB naught minus PA naught upon PB naught plus PA naught upon PB naught into 1 upon YA. Here we know that XA means mole fraction of in a liquid phase and YA means mole fraction in a vapor or gaseous phase, and PA naught and PB naught is a partial pressure in a pure state. It also follow the Raoult's law, and it is also follow the straight line equation. Y is equal to C plus MX. After that we are coming the next one, relationship between mole fraction of a component in a vapor phase and total vapor pressure of an ideal solution. Equation become 1 upon total pressure is PA naught plus PB naught minus PA naught into YA upon PA naught into PB naught. So here we write in another way, 1 upon P total equal to 1 upon PB naught plus PB naught minus PA naught upon PA naught PB naught YA. This is also follow the straight line equation. Clear? This is also important for a competitive examination. Students, remember that it is a important section of a solution. After that, in the next video we are discussing about ideal and non-ideal solution. Thank you.